Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to track your expenses with Klover. So let's get straight into it. So first up is setting up expense tracking. How you want to do that is to first log into your Klover account, and then you want to click the expenses or transactions tab, and then just link your bank account or credit card to Klover to automatically track your expenses. And of course, you can categorize your expenses into categories such as food, transportation, or entertainment, and that's going to help you to set up expense tracking. Now, for when it comes to tracking these expenses, you could use automated expense tracking. So Klover is going to automatically track your expenses from linked account whenever you make expenditures. And there's also a manual expense entry where you can manually enter expenses that are not linked to your accounts, such as cash purchases. And there's also expenses categorization, and that's where you can categorize expenses to understand where your money is going. So when you see those categorizations, you can know, oh, it's going more into food or transportation or whatever. There's also expense tagging, so that you tag expenses with specific labels like vacations or holiday gifts, and that also helps with the categorization and stuff. Now, when it comes to analyzing expenses, there are a couple of things to take note of. The first is the expense breakdown, and that's where you can view a breakdown of your expenses by category. There's also expense trends, so you analyze expenses trends over time to identify areas that you're going to need to make improvements on. There's also budgeting insights, where you receive budgeting insight based on your expense history. And of course, there's alert and notifications, so you're going to set up alerts and notifications for unusual expenses activities. Now, a couple of tips for tracking expenses with Klover. The first is to regularly review expenses. So you want to make sure that you regularly review expenses to ensure accuracy and also to identify areas for improvements. The second tip is to use categories and tags, because that's going to help you to organize expenses and gain insights on where your money is going. There's also set budgeting goals, so you got to ensure that you set budgeting goals based on expenses history and trends. And of course, you want to monitor your accounts regularly to detect any unusual activities in your accounts. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.